Hey, so you're getting the variable is undefined error and you have no idea what's wrong. Here are some quick tips on how to fix it. Number 1, the variable is misspelled. 9 times out of 10, the most common reason why I get the variable undefined error is I've probably spelled it wrong, or I've assumed the name of the spelling. Double check that you've got the name right here. Number 2, the variable is out of scope. An out of scope variable can happen when you're trying to call a variable that's inside of a different function or block from where you are calling it. The default answer to fixing this is to see if you can move the variable to a higher scope, such as a global scope. Another way of dealing with this is transporting the variable through function arguments. Number 3, the variable has been changed elsewhere in the program. Not as common, but it does happen where the variable is changed before your code has a chance to execute it. In this example, you can see the variable itself has changed before our code has a chance to interact with it. Hopefully this helps you out with the issues that you're having. If you found this helpful, please send some thanks in the comments. My name is Brian Best, and thank you for watching.